What's up guys, the Airsoft Tech here. Today I'm gonna do a little unboxing. That's a super basic gun I buy, like beginner airsoft gun and all that stuff, to tune it and all that stuff. So this is called the King Arms M4 CQB-R Sport Series. So let's crack it open. So first of all, we got a mag that looks like super cheap and really weird texture, by the way. Almost like it's like spray can paint or something. So that's a mid cap, but I don't know how many rounds. Sometimes it's right on there, but and we have that little guy right there. I'm just gonna put it on the side. And we have anything else in the box. Maybe an unjamming rod or that, but check. No, not even a jamming rod. We got nothing in there. So yeah, so that looks, like really plasticky. But of course, for that price point, so there's nothing surprising there. So first of all, that's a removable plastic rear side, kind of. I'm 16 Kirindle, but just cut in there. Ooh. Oh, that's bad. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so ugly. Wow. Okay. Okay. So that's a plastic outer barrel, and all that is mold in there. So that's not a metal piece that you have to remove 2 pin, and you can slide it out. And okay. Well, that destroyed a little bit my initial plan, but so yeah. I think that's metal. Even that, I think it's plastic. Yeah, everything looks plastic in there. Flash hider plastic. So this is, like super bad. I know it's a, beginner entry level airsoft gun, but I'm just saying that. But if I was a beginner and that was my first airsoft gun, I don't know how to fix anything, and I'm gonna try to stabilize it just to see. That's crazy play. Like crazy, man. There's no way that gun is accurate, of course, that's a super compact CQB gun, but still. Anyway, so the stock, super wobbly too. This is plastic buffer tube. Even the fucking plate right there for the plastic and super cheap. Okay. What we got in there? So that's not even the new style of hop-up. I don't know if you can see it. That's super bad hop-up, right? Oh. So this gun is basically, like 15 years old in terms of evolution of airsoft gun, right? This is like the first airsoft gun we can buy back in the day. So that's really bad. Okay, so I take that part, the King Arms. It's called M4 CQB-R, shit like that. So first of all, the barrel. I took out the barrel and I cut it a little bit and all that stuff because I wanted to kit that barrel. But it's a 3-piece barrel. So that's plastic that's bolted into that metal part that is bolted into that plastic, and so there's a wobble in it. Anyway, I can tied it, that's still wobbly. So I'm not gonna use it. I wanted to keep the cost down, course I would have done a better job, but you know, anyway, it's going in the trash. So first of all, the motor, you know, doesn't have strong magnets by any means, or you know, so that's a super basic motor. You know, take no force at all to turn it. There's a little bit of play in the shaft, right? So you know, but for a stock motor of a, you know, like cheap gun, if you want, that's not too bad. You know, that's in the middle line of, you know, what you can get on that price range, right? So other than that, the mag release, that's all plastic, so with the hex. Front and rear body pin, all plastic. You know, motor grip, you know, there's 2 screws, but there's 4 holes, and there's 4 holes into the gearbox, so you know, if you want, you can really secure it. And I like you know, when they have metal, so you know, your screw doesn't screw into plastic and then, you know, just fair on you. So you have a metal catch, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. You know, the body is really straightforward. You know, like nothing crazy. It's cheap plastic, you know, nothing fancy about it. One thing I discovered is the kind of rough cut, you know, they did on that receiver and on the back. You know, that's you know, like someone take, you know, a chainsaw almost and just, you know, like, that's fucking. Okay, so the gearbox is open, as you can see. Now the spring guard, it's basic plastic stuff with basically a boat stamp in it, and a little shim on it. Spring is basic, you know. This is, you know, like, this is good quality. There's nothing wrong with it. Same goes for the tappet plate, you know. Good flexibility, you know. It's not, yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. And it was under pressure, and it's still straight right there in the hook, so that's good. So you know, the cylinder, of course, is so, you know, like disgusting in there, you know, but it's not too bad compared to the exterior of it. The cylinder head, though, look at that. Like, what the fuck is going on? This is so bad. Air nozzle fits super nice in there. You know, there's no ring, but you know, it's not too bad. Of course, you have a small air leak, you know, but yeah, it's not too bad. And I'm trying to test it. It's really hard. You know, I have a lot of here, but I think that's more from the cylinder head than the air nozzle, right? Yeah, that's so hard to try. Yeah, you know, I still get pressure, but then if I remove everything and I put my finger in there, that's almost the same. So you know, the seat from the nozzle, it's not too bad. The piston, you know, it's King Arms, a cheap piston, right? So everything's plastic. You have the release teeth in metal and no bearing in it. Super cheap plastic. Yeah. Piston head and piston. So, you know, for the cylinder head, you know, there's nothing wrong with it. but there's no pad, right? There's nothing to absorb that shock, so no pad in there, and the O-ring is fucked. So you have to definitely tape if you really want to keep it and all that stuff. And you can already start to feel the dent in it, like. Yeah, so the plastic already started to tear apart, when I've not shot it. So just for a test shot, it's already started to disassemble itself. So yeah, that's bad. So on the rear contact, there's nothing, like wrong, I would say. It looks like, basic stuff, nothing crazy in there. For the gears, they really look like, I'm not gonna lie, they look like decent gears, to be honest. Yeah, the anti-rosa latch, you can see it's like a piece of shit metal, like turned around it and snapped in there. Yeah, this is bad. But hey, gears, and you can see all the holes in there. So those are, like, so there's one notch in there to hold it. Are they one piece? Yeah, they are one piece gears, man. Holy shit, bro. That's kind of good. Is this a magnet? No. Yeah, I like the gears, man. And look at that. Holy greasy. That's just insane amount of grease, man. In video it doesn't look that bad, but for real it is crazy. But I've seen a couple of companies doing that. So basically, what they hope for is when it turns and it heat, it would melt and spread everything from the gear in the middle. So spreading everything in the two other gears. I think that's what they were looking for. But that gears, man, one piece, bro. That's so good. That is so fucking good. So that needs to be strong, unless it's super fucking cheap metal. But for real, that gear has to be strong, very strong. So yeah, the design of those bushings, they have like a cutout in there. Yeah, try to, you have like something inside there, and I think that's to retain the grease. In my opinion, that's what it looks like. Cutoff lever and all that stuff, trigger safety. It's all basic, M4 stuff. So nothing crazy in there, but the amount of grease, man, holy fucking shit, bro. There's so much grease in there.
So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you have a great day. That was the Airsoft Tech, and I'll catch you in the next one.